Well, I have this bike in scrap. I just put brand new brake pads in it. But, to be honest, it started knocking open, yeah. But bearings are gone. Bearings gone in cog. I thought, oh, don't know that. I get out. Tested it and also spaced it, worked for like a bit, then got collected it scrap. But yeah, it's a nice bike though, but just put it on marketplace to see if we can get rid on it. Put it on for about 30-40 quid, so if someone buys it, someone has it. And I thought, well, I might have another bike, what needs fixing. I thought it would go on my other bike, well that's slightly bigger. But then I thought, well, bearings are gone. And I thought, well, I'm not messing about now. Time I paid to get that fixed, I'm not made them profit really. But yeah.